Lesson 23. Essay Writing. 1. Postman. The postman is a very important person for us. He is a government servant. His uniform is khaki. He carries a bag. The postman brings us letters, parcels, money orders, etc. from our friends and relatives. He goes from door to door to deliver letters. A postman's duty is very hard. He goes to the post office, there he collects letters of his area and goes out to deliver them. He keeps on working in heat, cold and rain. He is educated. He can read addresses in villages. He even reads and writes letters for the villagers. The postman is an important member of our society. We should give him due regards. 2. Mahatma Gandhi, a great leader. Mahatma Gandhi was a great leader of our country. His full name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. Gandhi ji was born at Porbandar, Gujarat, on 2nd October 1869. In his childhood he was very shy. He spoke the truth and obeyed his parents. He went to England for education. He became a barrister. In India he fought against the British government. He wanted to be free. The British sent him to jail many times. At last the India got freedom on 15th August 1947. Gandhi ji loved peace, ahimsa and truth very much. People called him Bapu. He lived a very simple life. Gandhi ji was killed on 30th January 1948. His samadhi is in Delhi. Gandhi ji is called the father of the nation. 3. Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal is a historical building in India. It is built long ago. There was a Mughal king named Shah Jahan in India. His queen was Mumtaz Mahal. When she died, Shah Jahan built the Taj Mahal in her memory. The Taj stands on the bank of the Yamuna at Agra. It is said that 20,000 people worked for 22 years to build it. It is made up of marble. It stands on a high platform. The Taj has 4 minars and a big dome. The graves of the king and the queen are under the main building. There are fountains and beautiful lawns here. It looks most beautiful on the full moonlight. Hundreds of people visit it every day. It is the famous monument in the world over. 4. Independence Day. India got independence on 15th of August in 1947, so people of India celebrate this special day every year as the Independence Day on 15th of August. On this event, celebration is organized in the national capital, New Delhi. The Prime Minister of India hoists the national flag in the early morning at the Red Fort, where millions of people participate in the Independence Day ceremony. During the celebration at Red Fort, in New Delhi, many tasks including march past are performed by the Indian Army and cultural events by the school students are performed. After that, national flag hosting and national anthem, Jana Gana Mana, is recited. The Prime Minister of India gives his annual speech. At this day, we commemorate all the great personalities who had played their important role in the independence of India. During the Independence Day, the national flags are also hoisted in schools and colleges, where many activities are performed by the teachers and students. 5. Eid. Eid ul-Fitr or Eid is one of the greatest festivals of Muslims. It is celebrated to mark the end of Ramadan. Eid is an Arabic word meaning festivity, while Fitr means breaking the fast. It was during the month of Ramadan that Holy Quran was revealed to Prophet Muhammad. It is celebrated all over the world by all Muslims. The Muslims fast during the month of Ramadan. At the end of the month, Eid is celebrated with feast. For Muslims, the festival of Eid ul-Fitr is occasion of showing gratitude to God and remembering Him. Muslims all over the world make great preparations for the festival of Eid ul-Fitr. All Muslims buy new clothes. When the new moon is seen just after the fast of 30 days, the next day Eid is declared. All look very happy. On this day, they wake up very early in the morning, clean their teeth, have a bath, and wear the best of clothing which one possesses, and also apply perfume. Eid prayer is performed in open areas like fields, community centers, etc. or at mosques. After the prayers, Muslims visit their relatives and friends. On Eid, gifts are also given to children and relatives. 6. Friendship. Friendship is the most valuable relationship in the life of a person instead of having many important things in life. No one of us has complete and satisfied life if we lack faithful friendship. Everyone needs a good and loyal friend to share bad or good life events, enjoy happy moments, and share unbearable events of the life. A good and balanced human interaction is very necessary for the survival of everyone. Good friends share each other's emotions or sentiments which bring feeling of well-being and mental satisfaction. A friend is a person whom one can know deeply, like and trust forever. Instead of being some similarity in the nature of two persons involved in the friendship, they have some different traits but they need each other without changing their uniqueness. Generally, friends motivate each other without criticizing, but sometimes good friends criticize to bring some positive change in each other. Like, share, and subscribe.